तो दोस्तों, अगर आपने भी कभी किसी को बिना सोचे समझे जज किया है, अगर आपने भी कभी जाने या अनजाने में किसी का मजाक उड़ाया है, एंड इफ यू हैव एवर कम टू कंक्लूजन्स एंड assumptions without asking the questions, then this video is just for you. Because today in this video, I am going to share with you the 3 life lessons which will really help you to become more empathetic and become more emotionally intelligent. So hey guys, my name is Shashank and I hope that you guys are doing well. So guys, few days back we received one more heartbreaking news and we lost one more beautiful soul, Sushant Singh Rajput. And after this news has been published in the media, there is a flurry of wisdom-laden posts floating all around the social media. And for those so-called motivational gurus are spreading misleading and creepy information on such serious issues on mental illness, mental health, suicide and depression, and how to deal with such issues and how to deal with such people. But the problem is that these guys don't even know that what they're talking about, because most of them are actually graduated from the WhatsApp University, जहां आपको ग्रेजुएशन के लिए पढ़ना लिखना नहीं होता, जहां आपको सिर्फ फॉरवर्ड करने होते हैं creepy and misleading messages को. So guys, one piece of advice, just stay away from all those misleading information and stop spreading all those misleading posts. So guys, today in this video, I'm not going to talk about this serious issue of mental illness and mental health, and I'm not even going to talk about the life of Sushant Singh Rajput, और मैं आपको कोई ज्ञान भी नहीं देने वाला हूँ. Because today in this video, I'm going to share with you the one life incident and the one life lesson which has really changed my life and which has really transformed my perspective about things and about people and about the life which is happening all around me. And I believe this is the right time to share with you guys, because this life lesson has the power to change your life and transform your perspective, and for every other individual who will be watching this video. So guys, what happened in 2016 while I was traveling back to my hometown via train, and as usual I was sitting on my favorite berth, the side upper berth. And while I was sitting on my berth, I was watching these 2 small kids who were around 5 to 6 years of the age. They were running in between the compartments, they were feeling happy, they were excited, and they were playing with themselves. And these guys were having good time. They were happy. And I believe the best thing about being a child is that you are happy all the time, but you don't even know that why you are happy. And I think that is the most beautiful thing we human beings can ever experience in our life. Well, these kids were having their good time. The other passengers were also happy watching these 2 kids. They were even trying to play with them. They were trying to give them something to eat, like chocolates and toffees. And while these people were having good time with these 2 kids, there were few other people who were not so happy watching these 2 kids, because they were feeling disturbed, they were annoyed, and they were feeling angry. And I could hear those whispers going on in between those passengers that such people are so stupid, such parents are so careless, they don't know how to take care of their kids, their kids are running around and disturbing people and they don't even know. They are such ignorant parents. But this whole activity was going on from the last 15 to 20 minutes, and there was one person, I could see there was one person who was really angry and he was about to burst out. And after 30 minutes, that person finally got up from his seat and he tried to locate the parents of these 2 kids. And when he found out that the father of these 2 kids, he went straight to that person without even asking a single question. He burst out. He started shouting, he started yelling, and he even started abusing to that person, and by saying that you people are so stupid, you don't know how to take care of your kids, you are a careless parent, and blah 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 blah. And for the next 5 minutes, he gave him his peace of mind. And when that person finally finished talking, shouting and yelling, their father got up from his seat and he said, "Sir, I'm really sorry for being such a bad parent, for being such a bad father, and I'm even really sorry for being such a bad husband that I couldn't take care of my wife. Sir, I have lost my wife a few days back and I'm just coming back from the Haridwar completing all her death rituals. And I was just worried and occupied from all those thoughts that how would I tell these 2 kids that they have lost their mother, and how would I raise these 2 kids without their mother. And sir, I'm really sorry once again for disturbing you, for not being present with my kids while they were disturbing you." While I was hearing and listening all this conversation and drama going on, I could literally see the embarrassment in the eyes of that person and how sorry he was feeling after being so angry and shouting on that person. Now just imagine the whole scenario. If that person would have asked the question without he bursted out on that person, the whole scenario would have changed. So this is how you can get more empathetic and more emotionally intelligent if you can take control over your emotions and feelings and your anger. And while I was sitting on this berth, I decided one thing, that I would never ever come to any conclusions, I would never ever come to any assumptions, and I would never ever judge any person without even taking the second person's perspective. And I believe if we develop this mindset that we have to understand the other person's perspective, we will find that every individual on this planet Earth has something to tell us. They have their own fights, they have their own crises, and they have their own stories to tell. And the best thing we could do is just listen to those stories and be more empathetic with them. And at last, I would like to give you the 3 life lessons which I learned on that particular day. The number first is, before you even speak, before you even show your anger, just pause for 5 seconds. And even before you judge someone, just pause for 5 seconds and ask yourself a question, that is it the right perception? Is it the right perspective which I am taking right now? And number second is, before you even judge a person, before you even try to assume and come to any conclusion, just try to think that why that person is doing something, whatever that person is doing, and why that person is saying whatever that person is saying in that particular situation. Try to find out their perspective by asking yourself question, and if you cannot find the question, just try to ask the same question to the other person. You will find the better answers and you will find a better decision to make. And at last, always remember that you are not in control of your emotions or your feelings. They are in your control, and you can always choose how to react to any situation or any event or any incident in your life. So guys, if you believe that this video has made at least 1% of impact on you, don't forget to share this video with your friends, with your loved ones, and on your stories. And if you have any such stories in your life you want to share with us, go and drop your stories on the comment section, and we would love to hear your stories and your life lessons. Thank you very much guys for watching this video.